Welcome to English class, my dear all the students. Today we are going to study about the 12th chapter, The Voter, written by Chinua Achebe. Now, Rufus is Rufus Okeke. His full name is Rufus Okeke, Roof we say. He is an educated person who returns to his village in order to help the illiterate people. He wanted to help the illiterate people of his village in his own way. And it was at this time the elections that he involved himself completely, both to meet his selfish needs. Even he had some needs, so his selfish needs he could meet, and a bit of social concern. He wanted to show some social concern also, so he tried his level best for that. And Roof was the perfect advisor for Marcus during the elections, as he required a person, a kind of a person he wanted was in the person of Roof. Okay, Roof means Rufus Okeke. So the same natured person he was, and the nature to act as a campaign manager. So Marcus, he appointed this Roof as the campaign manager for the election. And his trust in Roof had started bearing fruit when Roof tells him that people were unhappy with the way in which they were treated soon after the elections. That means, till the election what you have treated one thing, but soon after the election what you have treated, they were unhappy. And the coming elections, they may not cast their vote free of cost. That is what he advised Marcus. So Marcus had drawn 5 months worth of salary in advance so that he could meet the expenditures of these people, whatever the demand they had, he wanted to give. So now Roof had other campaign boys who did their job well. That means under him there were also a group of boys who were called as campaign boys. They were going for campaigning here and there, and they have to do their job. In order to do their job, he has to give some money, of course. Yes. So he had to spend money for that. Marcus had bought a huge house for himself and named it Umofia Mansion. That means, understood, see how he became a typical politician. Umofia Mansion, as though he was dedicating it to the village people. That means, Umofia means what? Fictional group of 9 villages, okay, in Nigeria, inhabited by the Igbo people. That was called as Umofia. He kept for his home Umofia Mansion. That means this mansion is not mine. This is of all of you. That means, but living, they cannot come and live. But he wanted to make the people understand that he had such love and affection for the people, and it is because of those people he could do this, so he kept that name. And the village people, he thought, would be near to him, and they would vote once again. On that day, all the village folks were invited for an Ozo meal. Ozo meal means a big meal, festivity. Okay, big festivity meal, anticipating that their hesitation would come down. That means their hesitation to vote would come down. For that he thought, yeah, this meal would do. But the people, after having sumptuous meal, they ate well, sumptuously, nicely, doubted the attitude of Marcus. But the people, they ate, but they doubted the person, because why he has given this much big meal? Maybe he wants to get the vote only for the vote's sake he does, because people are not innocent. Even in our surroundings also it is happening, isn't it? For vote's sake, what is happening, we know. The hectic day right before the voting day was that means was when Roof met 5 elders from the village. the roof, previous day of the election, roof, okay, is a campaigner. He met 5 elders of the village and gave them 4 shillings each. For each of them, 4 shillings he gave, hoping that it would make them canvass for Marcus. That means they will canvass for Marcus. For that he gave 4 shillings each. On that same night, another incident took place which literally shook Marcus. That means all the plans of Marcus were shattered. How? A few of the POP campaign boys entered Roof's house and tempted him with a pound note. A pound note which Roof could not easily turn down. He could not say no. Okay, could not turn down. He was confronted with a huge dilemma when they asked them to swear by the local deity EE. You swear by the local deity EE and tell us that you support. Okay, he was left with no other alternative but to obey. Okay, he had to obey because they made him, those men, those boys who came, they offered this pound and made him obey whatever they said. On the day of election, what happened? Roof watched. On the day of election, Roof watched the reaction of Marcus quite often because he did not want Marcus to suspect him. Everything went as per plan, but when Roof was asked to cast his vote, now when all people had casted his vote, but Roof had to cast now vote. When he was asked to cast his vote, he did not know what to do. He was confused. All of a sudden, a grand idea struck him. Without a second thought, he tore the ballot paper into 2 halves and put the first into Madhuka's box and verbally proclaimed that he has first voted for POP. First voted for POP. That is what he did. And in the lesson, the voter, how people go in a wrong way, in the wrong path, that is cleared. So children, in this lesson, voter, what did we learn? What did we learn? We learned that the original African people, they were very prompt in the beginning. See, they elected a person who was not in the field at all. But finally, they elected him, and when he got the votes, he too started changing, and he learnt the mentality of the people, and he constructed his palatial house, and he named after that village, all 9 villages whom they were calling Umofias, and that is what Umofia mansion he gave. So like that, he tried to please them on their own ways. The political scenario changed, and in that, Roof, he plays his role. And this is what even today, when people vote, the mediators change their style, they change their all positions and parties. So, Chinua Achebe brings or sheds light on the voting system of today and which is going in a wrong path. I hope you have understood this lesson, my dear all the students. Go through the lessons properly, read the lesson properly, then try to answer the questions to the point, and of course you can score well. All the best.